Hello everyone, this is Paris from Traderstock, and I'm gonna do a recap about today, the 27th of October. I'm starting this video because the short video that I have created while I was trading is not very explanatory, so I will do a brief introduction of what happened today. Basically, one of my rules is not to trade when there is not enough volume in the market. So, if you look here in the 1 minute, I have the standard volume set at 10,000 contracts, so good volume is around 10,000 contracts per minute, and for the 5 minute it's around 40,000 contracts. As you can observe, the market has been spiking in volume when it's doing aggressive moves, and basically those moves are coming out of the blue. They are probably because of breaks, and this is a definition of range trading. You're gonna see we started the cash open here at this point in the chart where my cursor is, and there was a small spike at the open, which is normal. Usually I do check the opening volume, the first minute, which is today around 15,000. It's not the best, it's not the worst. We have seen the opening candles in the last sessions, I would say the last 1 or 2 months, to be around 15 to 20,000. If it's very good, it's around 25,000. I'm talking about the first minute. But if the price action is small in terms of range, yeah, so we open and we have a range between 62 and let's say 55. Volumes are always good in the first minute, so I'm not looking at these volumes. It's very choppy as well. What I'm looking at is what's happening after the, let's say, the 10 minutes past the open. And as you can see, the opening volumes, the subsequent volumes were a lot lower, and I kind of smelled it, and I said in the webinar that listen, just don't trust this as a range. It doesn't look like it's rangy. It's going down with low volume. It can retrace easily with 1 or 2, 3 candles, and this is exactly what happened. So a nothing burger today, and the reason I'm doing this video is because I want to stress to people that while it's very important knowing when to trade, it's massively important knowing when not to trade. And today it's one of the days where you shouldn't trade. Maybe you get lucky and you get 1 or 2 moves, but it doesn't respond very well technically when it has low volumes, and that's why I stopped trading after let's say this up move. It's just this up move was made no sense actually, and this is a very good indication that you should stop trading. All right, let's move forward with the video. A little bit lower. Again, gentlemen, this is not a market that you can actually trade very easily. 2 years above 37 again, yeah. The reason, because I'm saying this, it smells like a range. It smells like we're gonna go down, but nothing much. So it broke this hourly closed at 32. Yeah, okay, let's look a little bit in the hourly in terms of technical again, yeah. So it closed above this level. It didn't even manage to break this level yet, yeah. So we go down and we go and we close above 31.50, actually around the same level, yeah. So it's indifferent yet for a down move. In order to bet for the down move, it's better if it does the move and you're not participating, because it's gonna be a difficult move to predict when it's gonna come, if it's gonna come. That's why everybody's waiting in terms of volume, yeah. And then people are gonna act at lower levels. They do not care. Catching bottoms and tops gets you smelly fingers, the big traders say. So big traders, they are not bothered of catching the top or the bottom, yeah. I mean, selling at the top or buying at the bottom. Just go with the flow when the volume is in. Otherwise, if a 10,000 clips comes in now, we're gonna go up to 49. It's that thin. 50 spot 50 was the break level, yeah. People do not understand how important it is, again, that there are some days like this where you shouldn't trade. You can give back all your month P&L in just one day of bullshitness, and then you look it back overnight, and then you're saying, what did I do? What did I do? Why did I trade such a day? How could I do that?